Here's the front yard. Look at all that water. There's the river. Wow. Pretty close to home here. They made these bigger here, the drain pipes. See that? Because it flooded before. It flooded like crazy. There it is on this side. Look at some other people's yards here. Look at that. All that water. Look at that. This is crazy, crazy weather here. Let's take a ride around the neighborhood, see what's happening with the water situation. Just washing people's yards away. It's all mud now. Somebody bought that place. Just go around the backside and see where the water's all going out to. On this side of the neighborhood. Doesn't look so bad over here. It's my street that's pretty bad. Got some water. Not like us. Sold my boat. You never know. One of these days I might need to get in it and float away. There's a lot of water right there. See how this creek is down here. Used to be dry forever, no water, ever. Now look at this sucker. It's blowing like crazy. At least it's going. It's coming down this way, not staying up there, flooding us. Keep on going. Keep on flowing, water.